So, good morning, everyone. This is me, Alias. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an SEO expert and owner of a Google partner company. And we help companies in developing Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads campaigns, as well as in improving SEO and even creating web sites and landing pages for them. So today I got a query, and that is I am running a Google Ads campaign, so I would like to improve my landing page experience. I have optimized my landing pages as per Google Page Speed Insights. Do I need to optimize other pages in the website as well, or the landing pages is all Google concerns? I think it's just landing pages, but looking to hear other opinion on it as well. So yeah, first of all, you don't only need to optimize your landing page but your website overall. But let me clear you here that by optimizing your landing page, it doesn't mean that you just have to work out on the Google page speed insights. In case if you have to figure out Google page speed insights, let me show you, and then I'm going to show you other things as well. So if you just write Google page speed, so I'm going to find the tool of the Google page speed insights, and it can tell you about the performance of any website and how it's working on. So just a second. So just have to write your name over here, and you can see first, in case if I analyze myself over here, and you can see this is regarding my own blog. You can see that I have passed core web vital assessments, and everything seems good over here on the mobile. Diagnosing performance issues as well, and looking on desktop failed, need improvement for desktop. What you can see over here, the desktop performance still is good with 97%, and mobile is 77%. Okay, so no, this is not the main thing. Speed is one thing which I emphasize a lot. I believe that speed is one of the very important factors, but it's not about speed, or not about page speed testing on Google. It's more something different. When you are trying to run a Google Ads campaign, you have to, or even for Facebook ads, you have to figure out on the landing pages which can generate you more your goals. What kind of a goal people achieve with the landing page? Either they want more downloads, they want more signups, they want more lead form submissions, or they want more sales. These are the four ideas where it moves around, the purpose of the landing page. With majority people either focusing on more leads or more sales. Third is on more email list or downloads. So that is the secondary aspects, or very few people do it. So I figured out some landing pages which I wanted to discuss with all of you, and which I personally like it, and I thought that it's nice to share with you guys as well. So let's have a look on few of the pages. Let's start with Hostinger page, one of the very finest company. Even I've been using this company for hosting needs. So what I like about them is their timer. You can see that information is being displayed. A female is over here, which grabs the attention of the human eye, and then strong heading over here, and then the amount, they are focusing with the amount, giving you an exclusive deal, plus a timer which gives you an urgency. What I also emphasize on a landing page should have everything required should be displayed without even scrolling. So a slight scrolling, 30 days money back guarantee, but it's sufficient. Yeah, you can see the reviews and everything, but the main information should be should be shown without scrolling down. So I like this landing page as a good opinion, and you can consider this as an option, that only optimizing for page speed is not the main important thing, but rather you have to optimize other aspects of the campaign as well. Now look on this another landing page. You can see let me make myself shorter so you guys have a clear vision of the landing pages. Okay, this is also good, and this is primarily on news, ebooks, people wanting for ebooks. This is again good, but you have to scroll a little, but an image of the book over here makes more power and can give you an approval as like this can be a good one. But not, this is not my type, but yeah, it's good. People do opt for it. And the interesting thing about landing pages is even the submission color, like this is a green color, na? If you change it to blue color, you will see there's a difference in sales. So that also have an impact. You can see over here, this is a Slack landing page, very good landing page. I personally like it. Everything is displayed without scrolling. What CTA call to action is over there, your tagline is over there, logo is over there, product demonstration is over here. Yeah, there are other aspects in the landing page as well, but the main information without scrolling down. You can see another landing page that is also good. And this is another, regarding free trial landing page. You have to full your name, right? And it's more about the CRM software. And I was just looking on the landing pages by Neil Patel, so I got an idea over here. Here you can see another landing page by Shopify, and that is more emphasizing on starting a free trial by writing your email. Yeah, this can be a good option as well, but again, that is not exactly what I like. I'm going to show you a few of the examples more, but in case if you ask me right now, Hostinger is got my most votes so far, but I'm going to give you more examples. Here you can see even better email newsletter, subscription with CTA, like sign up now to enjoy $100 off. It gives an urge. Combine this with a timer, and I'm gonna love this. So what you have to do is have to combine this with the full price, and you can see that how convincing it is. Sign up now to enjoy $100 off, or no, I will pay full price. So it gives a reason for people to sign up for the newsletter, and that is how you are building your email list. And how you can convert the email list, that is another story for another day, but I'm just giving you an example. And here is another example. Okay, what I like about over here, although it's more about a free consultation, but what I like over here is the face. The face you can see over here, face is so convincing. Supercharge your conversion rate, get a free consultation. Arrow is more convincing. Add it with a timer over here, and a numeric number. Numeric numbers save something in mind. Add it with a timer plus a numeric number, and it's going to be even better than this one, because this one doesn't have a face. This one has a face, and people like to associate or link with the face. And people have emotional sentiments. Like even right now, people have emotional sentiments with Steve Jobs with the Apple, even though Steve Jobs is no more. Bill Gates with Microsoft. So there is a association of people. Another landing page example, you can see a lady over here showing with a laptop what you can do and get growing, and the growing has a yellow coloring on it. Sign up for free email marketing. Yeah, it's good, but I'm going to show you another one which I personally think is a good one option, because maybe I've worked with them, which is why I used to work with them, but not longer anymore. So it's a site regarding selling curtains in Dubai, and you can see without scrolling, everything is displayed over here. The request to call back, get a free quote, call us today. Add a timer with it, and it's going to be the best deal. And add something more like a money back guarantee or some trust level, so people have confidence to buy. And this is going to be an exclusive best landing page for anyone who is going to run an online campaign. Here you can see that I'm not emphasizing on page speed. Page high speed is a good thing. I didn't know even that what kind of a page speed this landing page has. But the beauty of the landing page is summarizing it with all the information required without scrolling down. I believe that your consumer is the most laziest person in the world, and you have to make the process easy for them rather than making long, pages. Quick, effective, a landing page going to convert well. You can see over here, they are still diagnosing it, and it's going to take time, but let's discuss on the other aspects of this landing page. People love us. You can see the reviews over here. Ideally, these pages needs to link back to original reviews. Also, it's not linking, but here you can see the Hostinger is actually linking to their original Trustpilot page. So that is even a better option over here. And that you have to do is you have to link to the original page, or otherwise it seems like fake. So people lose the confidence over here. Okay, not everyone checks it, but it's nice to link it to the original websites. More than 10 years of experience by Prim. Okay, you can see the city over here. Get a free quote. Call us today. Our curtains. Call number over here, how it works, why choose us, get a free code again, free. Okay, best customized curtain, 50% discount on curtain. So 50% seems a little more convincing for a user to take an action. So maybe right now it's still loading out, so it's gonna take ages now. Let me refresh it. Okay, but even whatever, it's going to come. Even it's a rank at a 97, it's at 83, it doesn't matter. All it matters is an effective landing page. Yeah, speed should be a priority, and you should work on providing a faster speed for your landing pages. But yeah, these are the few of the landing page examples which I wanted to share with you guys right now. I have discussed other landing pages as well in my other videos, but these were in my mind for right now to discuss with you guys. I hope you like the video. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box of this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel in case if you want to watch videos like these, and for motivation you can give a comment to as well. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. And lastly, again, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm seeing people are watching my channel but not subscribing. I mean, why you are not subscribing, guys? Please subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.